Vibe Code Blueprint is an AI course that's going to show you how to use Vibe Code with a specific AI tool that's completely free that can show you how to make money online, creating one digital asset out from another. They're going to show you how to make multiple digital assets with these. They're going to show you how easy it is to just upload them wherever, get traffic from them. You can sell them. You could put ads on them. You could do anything that you want with them because you own them. Now, they say to make this work completely, you need to have a certain AI tool. Now, it is a free tool. I don't necessarily agree with that. They don't show you any other tools in here, but there is another tool that I use that I get better results with than what they did. So as a bonus for grabbing this through my link, I'm going to give you a special video that I've come up with that's going to show you my tool that I use. It's 100% free to use, and it gives you better results than what they get. And I'm going to show you an example of that. And you can use the same prompts that they use, that they show you here, and you can use that in this tool that I show you. And in my opinion, that gives you much better results. So this here is the members area of Vibe Code Blueprint. And inside the members area, you're going to see a list of videos. As I scroll down, you'll see them, but at first it's going to show you some OTOs that you can grab. So you don't have to buy those. The front end product will do you just fine, but if you want to take a look at the OTOs, you can do that. So as I scroll down, I'm going to explain what each video does. So your first step here is just an introduction. It's going to tell you to click on the buttons down below, which is to register for their event and join their school community. You can go ahead and do that. Those are free to do. And just watch the video as it gives an introduction. This is also a brief introduction of the formula and what it actually means and how you make money with it. The big reveal is the software program that they use to make this work. But like I said, I use a different one and I get better results than what they got with theirs. So it's up to you what you use. I'm going to show you the one that I use. You got to get it through my link though. Click on the link down below in order to get that through my link. I'll show you how to do that here in just a second though. So here, the big reveal, they just show you how or what software program that they use. No skills, no problem. Build things that people can play in minutes. So they create a full game with this. They're going to show you how they create that game. And with just one prompt, they're going to show you one game. And they got links to how you can play it, and you can play them on your own. And you can create your own ones with these. They're going to give you ideas of what you can include in these games to make money, where to sell these games to make money. From zero to software in seconds. They're going to show you how to make software with this. You don't have to know anything about coding. That's the great thing about this. You don't have to know anything about coding with this because the AI does everything for you. Yes, you can create something that valuable in minutes with almost no effort. So they're going to show you how you can make web pages with this. And these web pages look extremely impressive for what you give it. The simplest prompt will give you a very impressive looking website. So they're going to show you how they do it here. Instantly build what used to be hard, get traffic, and turn it into cash. So they're going to show you how you can build quizzes with this. So this video is all about quizzes. It is the stuff that you're going to hear as you go through these videos. It's going to unlock things in your mind because really these videos are just basically, they're here just to lay a foundation of what you can do with Vibe Code. And as you watch these videos, you're going to get some ideas in your head. Hey, I can do this, and hey, I can do that. Well, when I watch this video on quizzes, I'm thinking outside the box. I'm getting other ideas when I'm starting to get that. And I have to write my ideas down at the time, or my ideas just go out of my head and I don't remember them anymore. So I think you're going to get that too. As you see them doing things and telling you what you can do with this, you're going to think, hey, I can do this, or hey, I can do that. And this is very powerful. You can create anything that you want with this. So are you into affiliate marketing? If you can answer yes to that question, don't do it without this. They're going to show you one little freebie that you can do to get amazing amount of traffic with. Create a digital asset in seconds to get traffic. So they're going to show you how to use the power of Medium to help you get traffic with conjunction of your digital asset. create this digital asset and drive traffic to any niche. They're going to show you how to use PDFs in this one. I'm going to show you how you can use AI vibe code to generate PDF files and where to upload them online. Build this powerful digital asset in seconds, then watch traffic and income flow. So they're going to show you how to do slides with vibe code. These aren't any simple slides either. These are really cool looking slides. And they're going to show you exactly how to do it. They're going to give you the prompt and everything. So you can do that with vibe code. And then they're going to show you where you can upload them to make money off of them. 18 seconds equals a really simple tool that helps you crush it. This is something that you wouldn't believe would make you money, but it does. I didn't think that you could do this in AI at all, let alone vibe code. So you can do this straight into AI. You can make this, and you can put this on your websites. You can put it anywhere that you want, on images, anywhere. And it's really cool. So the next one is, you won't believe this will shorten your time to success, and it'll show you how to create a powerful online tool. And this is their custom AI for vibe code blueprint. So you can click on that button there and you can get their custom AI to access everything that they've shown you. And then at the bottom here, check out, if you want to become a super affiliate, you can check out, I think this is a deal of the day website or something like that. And that's it. The finish line and whatnot comes next. So it's the same, basically they're just conclusion of what everything is, and then your school community. And then there's a bonus. Like I said, I have my own bonus for you, which is a separate video. It's a private video, and it's going to show you how that you can do everything that you're doing in another AI tool that gives you better results. And I'm going to compare those results for you, and I'm going to show you how the difference between the two when I create something, and you can see the difference and just go for yourself which one that you want to use. You can use them both if you want and compare them for yourself and use which one gives you better results. So, but I do recommend that you do that. So in order to get that bonus, you want to click on the link down below. It's going to take you to my written review page. Click on any of those buttons in that written review page, and it's going to take you to the sales page of Vibe Code Blueprint. Just purchase it there. Since you've clicked on my link to get there, you can go ahead and get it. And in your Warrior Plus purchases, there's a button in there. It says Access Affiliate Bonus. So you would click on that, and then you would get access to that private video. So I hope you found this video helpful to you. The course is loaded with a lot of amazing material. If you like AI, if you're doing stuff with AI, this really is next gen stuff that you can do right now that people don't even know about. Some of this stuff, people are potentially paying hundreds and maybe $1,000 for on Fiverr or Upwork or to get the same thing that's going to take you 2 minutes to do right here using their system. So I want to thank you for watching this video to the end. And like I said, click on that link below to get my bonus. And I've also got a newsletter. You want to click on that as well. If you're interested in making money online, sign up for that newsletter. I'll give you tips and tricks and reviews there as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.